Good day everyone, my name is Ice from Technic Force. We are still on our Leads2List software training, and today I will show you how to add your Facebook pages to a Leads2List application. Well, Leads2List is a powerful digital platform designed for online marketers. This is a social platform that provides the perfect list for you, the leads suitable for your brand. Now, let's start off. We are now on our Leads2List dashboard. This has a user-friendly interface, so there's no need to worry. Now, to add a Facebook page, first is to go to Facebook Pages segment, located on the left portion of the screen. Now, as I mentioned before, this is a powerful tool where you could monitor, create a lead form. It even has an autoresponder, which we will dive deeper into the succeeding videos. So now we are on our Facebook Pages section. Here you will be able to see the list of your Facebook pages that you have previously added to the Leads2List application. It shows the logo you have set the page to appear, the page name, which when you click will automatically direct you to your Facebook page. Now you will also see lead count to show you the number of leads your ad has generated, and the form count, which will show how many forms does the page has. And on the action tab, you will have 3 different icons. The first one will allow you to add a lead form. The second, the envelope icon, will show you the leads. When you click on this, you will be able to view each lead's information, including their email addresses, the name of the user, and of course the mini trash can icon. If you want to remove the page on your Leads2List application, you can just click on it. Or you will also have an option to clear all pages you have registered to the software or on the software. Just click on the red button that says delete all pages. Now to add a Facebook page, just click on the green button that says add new page. And once you click on it, it will automatically show you all the available pages on your Facebook. The one that you have created. So make sure that you are currently logged into your Facebook account. Now, just select one to add. Just click the green button that says add page. So let's say I'd like to add this one. Now, a notification will appear on the lower right portion of the screen telling you that the page has successfully been added. And as you notice, the green button on action already shows added instead of add page. Now, when you click on the Facebook Pages tab again, you can see that the page has already been added or successfully added on the list of the Facebook pages available for your Leads2List application. So that's about it for adding Facebook pages to Leads2List software.